Supervisor for Education for Students with Special Needs and GMRC, Madam Carmelita R. Sigara. Of the Division of Negros Occidental, Madam Leonie A. Turicarion, Principal 2, Calatrava Senior High School, stand alone. To the barangay officials and to our hardworking faculty and staff of Tigbao National High School and Lipaton Extension, Madam Sousa Villegas, Officer in Charge, and Madam Jennifer Legaspi, Teacher in Charge. To our PD officials, supportive parents, friends, ladies and gentlemen, a pleasant afternoon. We are gathered here today on this memorable, rewarding event in our high school life. Our completion rites in the junior high school and the graduation ceremony for the senior high school. Today, we are celebrating with the theme Kabataang Pilipino para sa matatag na kinabukasan ng bagong Pilipinas. In my understanding, as a youth in today's generation, we have a great role and task to do for our country. Education conquers everything. It can change the world. Let us continue to educate ourselves with determination to pursue our goals and dreams so that we will be able to fulfill our task to lead the change and improve our country today, to be more globally competitive, economically stable, and a more peaceful land to live for tomorrow's generation. On behalf of my fellow junior high school candidates for completion and the senior high school candidates for graduation, I welcome you all to Tigbao National High School 9th Moving Up Ceremony and 7th Graduation Ceremony. Enjoy and God bless.
Completion to Sir Anthony H. Liubet, JDC So 5, our school's division superintendent, and to be represented by Ma'am Carmelita R. Sigara, PhD, our education program specialist.
Sir Anthony H. Liubet, GD CISO 5, School Division Superintendent, Division of Negros Occidental, represented by Ma'am Carmelita R. Sigara, PhD, Education Supervisor for SNID and Values Education, GMRC. I have the honor to present to you 65 candidates for graduation, 37 of whom are boys and 28 are girls of Tigbao National High School for Senior High School YOMS for the school year 2023-2024. They have satisfactorily completed all the requirements prescribed by the Department of Education K-12 curriculum program.
By virtue of the authority vested in me by the school's division superintendent, Anthony H. Liubet, JD CESO 5 of the Department of Education, Schools Division of Negros Occidental, who has been authorized by the Vice President and Secretary of Education, Honorable Sara Z. Duterte, through Western Visayas, Dr. Ramir B. Oitico, CESO 3, to confirm the graduation of senior high school learners and upon the recommendation of the principal, Ma'am Celsa Villegas of Tigbao National High School, having satisfactorily completed the requirements of the following track, Humanities and Social Sciences: males 37, females 28, a total of 65. Of the senior high school program under the K-12 basic education curriculum, I do hereby confirm and approve the graduation of 65 students of Tigbao National High School for the school year 2023-2024. As such, they are now considered K-12 basic education curriculum graduates entitled to receive a diploma with all the rights and privileges appertaining thereto. Congratulations.
Sir Anthony H. Liubet, GD, CISO 5, Schools Division Superintendent, Division of Negros Occidental, represented by Ma'am Loine Torrecarion, Principal 2, Calatrava Senior High School, standalone. I have the honor to present to you 60 candidates for the completion, 25 of whom are boys and 35 are girls of Tigbao National High School for the school year 2023-2024. They have satisfactorily completed all the requirements prescribed by the Department of Education K-12 curriculum.
JD CESO 5, Schools Division Superintendent, Division of Negros Occidental, represented by Ma'am Loine A. Torrecarion, Principal 2 of Calatrava Senior High School, standalone. I have the honor to present to you 9 candidates for the completion, 4 of whom are boys and 5 are girls of Tigbao National High School, Lipaton Extension for the school year 2023-2024. They have satisfactorily completed the requirements prescribed by the Department of Education K-12 curriculum.
Secretary of Education, Sara Zimmerman Duterte, through the Regional Director of Region 6, Western Visayas, Dr. Ramir B. Oitico, CESO 3, to confirm the completion of grade 10 students upon the recommendation of the OIC Principal, Celsa B. Villegas, and the TIC of Lipaton Extension, Ma'am Jennifer Ligaspe, having satisfactorily completed the requirements of the junior high school program under the K-12 basic education curriculum. I do hereby confirm and approve the completion of 60 students, of whom 25 are males and 35 are females of Tigbao National High School, and 4 are males, 5 are females of Lipaton Extension for school year 2023-2024. As such, they are now considered junior high school completers. They are certified or entitled to receive a certificate of completion and with all the rights and privileges appertaining thereto. Congratulations.
Dedication and perseverance, and it is with great pride that I address you on this joyous occasion. Your journey to this point has been filled with challenges, triumphs, and unforgettable memories. From the late night study sessions to the friendships forged in the classroom, each experience has shaped you into the remarkable individuals you are today. As you prepare to embark on this next chapter of your lives, I encourage you you to reflect on the lessons learned and the values instilled during your time in academia. The world that awaits you is one of boundless opportunity and endless possibility. It is a world that is constantly evolving, presenting new challenges and opportunities for growth. Embrace these challenges with courage and conviction, knowing that you possess the knowledge, skills, and determination to overcome any obstacle that may come your way. As you embark on this new journey, remember the importance of kindness, compassion, and empathy. In a world that can often seem divided, it is these qualities that have the power to unite us and bring about positive change. Treat others with respect and understanding, and never underestimate the impact that a small act of kindness can have on the world around you. I would be remiss if I did not take a moment. Your dreams, pursue them relentlessly, and never lose sight of the extraordinary potential that lies within each and every one of you. Congratulations once again, and may your futures be filled with success, happiness, and fulfillment. Warm regards, Zara Z. Duterte, Vice President of the Philippines, Secretary of the Department of Education. Good day, everyone.
Thank you so much, Ma'am Carmelita Sigara. At this point of time,
To reflect on your journey, the large or the late nights driven by ambition, the friendships that were made, and the priceless lessons that you learned both within and beyond the halls of your beloved alma mater. Embrace the future you create. This graduation and completion marks an exciting new beginning rather than just a finish. As Leonard M. McLeod once said, the future is not something we enter. The future is something we create. Let this quote inspire you to become the change agents of our nation towards a better future. The world is waiting for your talents, your new perspectives, and your new tangible contribution in creating a matatag na kinabukasan ng bagong Pilipinas. Building a matatag na kinabukasan together. Keep in mind that the DepEd matatag key values, they will act as your compass on the journey ahead, and see every setback as a learning opportunity. We stand with you. We, your education leaders, teachers, families, and the entire community stand steadfastly behind you. Let's continue to support and work together to create a matatag na kinabukasan for all by uniting in the spirit of bayanihan. Again, congratulations, graduates. Move forward. Seize the opportunity to shape the future. Inspire us and leave your imprint of excellence on the world. We will be cheering you on every step of the way. Signed, Anthony H. Liobet, JD, CESO 5, Schools Division, Superintendent of the Division of Negros Occidental.
Thank you so much, ma'am.